Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Evoque P300 HST with an eye-catching Portofino Blue exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Evoque also comes fitted with LED headlights, 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Evoque now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Evoque now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as the Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. This Evoque also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then just coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift as well as the 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the heated front seats, rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Evoque now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.